West Bend wants your metalworkers risks. At West Bend, we're proud of our broad base of knowledge when it comes to understanding commercial risks. Over the years, we've developed extensive expertise of certain risks and the skills needed to underwrite them. Because of this, West Bend has become competitive in writing these classes. Our underwriters know and understand what coverages are necessary to protect these businesses. Precision metalworking is one of the classes of business for which we have an appetite. These are businesses that specialize in custom, short-run precision machining operations, including prototype development. Their processes generally involve more sophisticated production equipment and operations, with many using multi-axis CNC machines and even 3D printers. Operations of all sizes are included, although the primary appetite is for small and mid-market size risks. These operations are exclusively component part or component product manufacturers. They don't produce a finished product for end use by the customer or make critical parts for the aerospace, military, or auto industries. Critical parts we won't insure include auto axles and brakes. On the other hand, hubcaps, door hinges, and decorative metal fencing are examples of parts we would insure. The types of accounts we're interested in manufacture short runs of specialized parts or component parts for other companies, using designs and specifications provided by the client. They don't provide engineering services or produce any products of their own design or brand. These specialized machine shops are sprinkled all over the Midwest, and contracts vary by product design. Trademarks of a good operation include excellent housekeeping and strong quality control standards, like having the customer sign off on the finished product. These accounts are the ones you can usually spot the minute you walk into the shop. We also look for non-combustible, sprinklered buildings with NFPA-approved spray booths and explosion-proof wiring for all finished operations. A strong workforce using safety controls and practices, along with an active management team, are crucial for a good operation. From our underwriter's standpoint, maintaining industry standards and certifications such as ISO or ASQ is a huge plus. Let's take a look at some coverages to consider when writing these accounts. A metalworking operation can have unique exposures to loss. These operations depend heavily on machinery, so mechanical breakdown coverage would be a necessary coverage. Here are a few examples of losses that would be covered by mechanical breakdown coverage. An operator enters the wrong code into a CNC lathe and causes damage to the chuck. Repairs are delayed because parts must be imported from Japan. The total loss is $50,000. A machine shop's screw compressor breaks down, crippling production capacity. Work must be jobbed out to other shops to keep up with demand. The cost to repair the compressor is $49,306, with extra expense of $12,529. For a total loss of $61,835. Patterns and dies present another loss exposure for metalworking operations. Let's take a look at an example. A die was removed with a forklift. The forklift turned a corner too short and overturned. Coverage for the die is limited to $2,500 under the property form CP1030. Under West Bend's manufacturer's program, however, the patterns and dies limitation is deleted. So think about the metalworking operations in your community. You know, the ones with a great reputation for quality work and service. Then talk to your West Bend underwriter or regional sales manager. They're eager to answer any questions you may have. Remember, West Bend wants your metalworkers risks.